friends, today we are going to make a dish suiting for the vegetable fried rice. I've already made the vegetable fried rice, it is already ready here. So this vegetable fried rice has got a rice which is a typical rice variety in Uttar Pradesh of India. It is called parmal. This parmal rice has got the same flavor like basmati rice, but it has got less carbohydrate compared to the basmati rice. It's most popular in Uttar Pradesh in India. So they've got other vegetables like tiny chopped carrot, beans, then we got a little bit of cabbage and onions and the typical masala which we put it for the fried rice. The fried rice is ready now. Friends, I am going to show the entire process how to make cabbage Manchurian. Okay, for now cabbage Manchurian, we made grated cabbage here, grated carrot here and grated beans here. And for making a mix, we have got this onion paste, ginger garlic paste, green chili paste. We have got here garam masala, salt, corn flour and all-purpose flour. We call it maida. So we are going to mix everything now. See, now this cabbage Manchurian. We made all the ingredients. What I said was cabbage, carrot, beans, green chili paste, corn flour, all-purpose flour, garam masala, ginger garlic paste and salt. We made dough like this. This dough should not be too watery and should not be too hard also. It should be like a soft one so that you can make a ball like this. So we'll be making a ball now, and this is the plate. We'll keep all the balls arranged properly. Don't make the ball very big. If you make it very big, while frying in the oil, we'll be frying this ball in the oil now subsequently, so it will be difficult to fry. So just make such balls. Okay, keep on making soft balls. You make it. Yeah. Make all the balls now. Okay. Now you can see we made so many Manchurian balls now. Now we are going to fry it in the oil. We have kept the oil now. It is heated now. Slowly we'll put one ball after another. Okay, for frying it. While putting the ball, see that it doesn't stick to each other. With the spacing. And don't be in a rush, put 3 or 4 balls at a time. Now reduce the heat to medium flame because we have to get it cooked very well. If we keep a high heat, high flame, it will only cook outside, it will not cook inside. When you make this frying, you have to be very, very slow. Should not rush the whole process. If you rush the process, all these balls will separate, disintegrate into small pieces. You can see this, the ball is slowly getting brown. It should get some more brown. I told you, keep the flame medium. While frying, just roll the ball so that it gets fried all the surfaces. At this stage, we should take it out and we are going to fry after 5 minutes after it becomes cool, because this frying cannot be done properly in one attempt. So we'll keep it to cool for 5 minutes. Then we'll refry again. Now we are going to fry all these balls, cabbage balls, second time to make it crispy. Now you can put all the balls because it's not going to disintegrate. Again, keep the flame medium. Don't keep it high flame. If you get high flame, it will get again burnt on the outer surface and will not cook inside. Some people add cheese. We call it paneer. Also, grated paneer also in this to get a different flavor. But I have not added paneer today, cheese today. You can see it now. This is the way you have to take it out. Okay, now keep a kadai, frying pan, and let it get heated up. Yeah, it's heated up now. Put oil. And after the oil has got heated up, you will add all the masalas. Masalas like bay leaf, cinnamon stick, add 2 to 3 pieces of clove and fry them. And keep the flame medium size flame. In this we are going to add onion paste. Then we'll add ginger garlic paste. And we'll add turmeric powder. I add little extra turmeric powder to get that yellow color. This is my taste of getting this color, yellow color. Again, this turmeric powder, it's up to your choice. Now we add green chili powder, paste, green chili paste. Then we add little bit Kashmiri chili powder to get that color. So little bit we add salt. So you have to be very careful. We already added some salt for this cabbage ball. Now also we are going to add. This is only for this onion paste, and later on we may add, if required, some more salt. So let it boil nicely. You can see that oil is separating out. That means the gravy is getting cooked well. Now we'll add tomato puree. Mix it very well. Now we will close it with the lid so that let it boil for at least 2 to 3 minutes so that the oil will be separating out. Now we will just cover it with the lid so that let it cook well. Now let's see whether it is done well. Yeah, you can see it now, it is separated now. These red color lines are all coming. It's all because of the oil. So it's done. The raw smell of the tomato is gone now. Now, in case you feel like adding some more masala taste, you can add a little bit of coriander powder, little bit of jeera powder, and you can also add some garam masala, and you can mix it well. Now you can see we are going to put these balls now, but this is having the gravy is little thick. So what we do to make it thin, we'll add some water. Now to make this gravy thin, we'll add some water. Mix it well. Mix it well. Let it boil for some more time. Again, cover it with the lid. Let it boil. Okay, now let's see whether it's boiled well. See, you can see it's boiled well. Again, you can see the red lines that the cooking is done well. Now we'll add the balls slowly one after another. We'll keep adding all the balls. In fact, these balls you have to add at least 1 hour before you start for serving, because this ball has to soak it very much in this gravy. The gravy should go inside the ball. So it is not, you have to keep at least 1 hour minimum dipped in the gravy so that you can use it for serving, so that the gravy will go inside the balls. It will be tasty very well. Now, as tip of hint, in case you add a little, you want to have a little more thick gravy, you can consider adding little bit corn powder mixed with water and add it. So I'm going to do that. So you can see I like little thick gravy. So we'll add this corn flour mixed in water, make it a corn flour paste, and just mix it. And just mix it. It becomes slowly thick. And flame should be low to medium flame, keep it. You can see the gravy is getting thick. You can see it now, you see the gravy will become thick. Now what you can do to add some taste, we'll add little butter. That's all. Now the cabbage Manchurian is ready. Vegetable fried rice is ready with this cabbage Manchurian ready. Now enjoy.